I'm Sylvia. Our group is working on the redesign of fitting rooms. iFit is just like normal fitting rooms, but way more smarter. When you walk in the store and it's complicated, all the clothes, all the lines, it's confusing. You cannot try out all the clothes at once. Just like this jacket. Come on. Not with iFit. You walk into our fitting room. It's easy.
The first step of our design is on the mirror. We call it smart mirror. The first interactive touch foil layer is a transparent foil that can work conjunction with the monitors at the back. Behind the foil is a piece of glass which separates the foil and a thin reflective coating, which is the third layer. It allows some light to reflect while some to penetrate. The fourth layer is a monitor which works with the touch foil and interacts with the users. In this case, they can choose the clothes, the size, the color, etc. And makes this mirror even better is that the monitor can work along with motion sensors which are used for AR. A combination of optical sensor and infrared sensor is used to give the most accurate tracking. Dual camera is used here to give a 3D space. Infrared motion sensor is also used to compensate the error of optical motion sensor, so the image of the monitor can superimpose with the live image of the person in the mirror. The second feature of iFit is a movable floor. The use of it is to let customers try out walking or even running experience with the clothes they are interested in. They can make the decision depends on the comfort sensation associated with the clothes. The concept of it is very simple. It's like a tank track, while each tread is a small treadmill that runs perpendicular to the track direction. So customers can move in whatever direction they want to. When the floor is unlocked, the sensor of the smart mirror will detect the movement of the customer, and the floor will move in an opposite way to counteract their movement. This is what an ordinary fitting room lacks of, and iFit well utilizes the limited space in it. First of all, we replace the ordinary wall and ground materials with ultra-hydrophobic material, which means it is extremely difficult to get wet as contact angles of a water droplet on an ultra-hydrophobic material exceed 150 degrees. A droplet striking these kind of surfaces can fully rebound like an elastic ball, creating a lotus effect. And this effect enables iFit with self-cleaning properties that are a result of ultra-hydrophobicity, as shown by the leaves of lotus flower. Dirt particles are picked up by water droplets due to the microarchitecture on the surface, which minimize the droplet's adhesion to that surface, and as a result, iFit can maintain its clean and comfortable environment. Smart glass. The current design of fitting rooms usually need to turn the lights on for the whole day, which is not environmentally friendly. In order to achieve sustainability, iFit uses smart material to replace the roof of the fitting rooms, which allows light absorption to be more flexible and adjustable. Besides reducing the use of electricity, customers can also modify the luminosity in order to have the best fitting experience.
We apply iFit to the whole shopping mall and turn it into a mass fitting area. It saves spaces. Storekeepers no longer need to reserve areas for fitting rooms and space that can be used more wisely.